So here, this is your Facebook page. Anybody people asking for question, how many followers are there? How many people are like your page? How to check? How to check how many members like your page? Simple click for settings. The option call is people and other pages. Select it. Here will be select who will be like your page. They can check by your total option here. These are your page like peoples. Where the option call is select your page. The option call is people and other pages. Any other pages, you can check your option by here. So here, how many members follows? The people that like your page, ban people and this page, everything. So clear? This is called, we can check by each and every page like peoples. That option call is Facebook page. Third call settings. The option call is people and other pages.